The Ten of Cups depicts emotional fulfillment at its highest expression. Love shared, peace attained, and harmony made visible. At the center stands a family beneath a radiant rainbow of 10 golden cups. A man and woman raise their arms in gratitude while 2 children dance nearby. This tableau is the culmination of the suit. Where the ace began with 1 overflowing cup, the 10 completes the cycle with shared abundance, community, and lasting happiness. The first supporting symbol is the rainbow arched across the sky holding 10 cups. The rainbow is the bridge between heaven and earth, appearing only when light meets rain. It symbolizes reconciliation, blessing, and emotional integration. The 10 cups upon it represent the full spectrum of human love, romantic, familial, spiritual, and communal, all harmonized into one radiant arc. The second symbol is the couple with arms raised. Their mirrored gestures reflect unity, partnership, and gratitude. They stand not as individuals, but as a pair who have built emotional harmony together. Their posture expresses the mature form of love, devotion transformed into enduring companionship. This is relationship as mutual celebration rather than possession. The third symbol is the dancing children. Their carefree movement represents innocence, renewal, and the continuation of joy into the next generation. They embody the emotional freedom that arises when the environment is safe and loving. Children keep the scene alive, ensuring that happiness does not harden into complacency but remains playful and dynamic. The fourth symbol is the small home in the distance. Modest yet welcoming, it signifies stability, belonging, and the grounded daily life that supports emotional fulfillment. Beside it flows a calm river, linking the card back to the suit's origins. Once turbulent emotions have now settled into peaceful rhythm, becoming a steady current of well-being. The fifth symbol is the open landscape and clear sky. Rolling green hills and unobstructed light convey serenity, hope, and enduring peace. Nothing threatens the harmony of the scene. The expansive horizon reflects emotional maturity, the sense that the heart has integrated its lessons and now rests in balance. In readings, the Ten of Cups signals lasting happiness, family harmony, spiritual peace, or emotional completion. It affirms that deep fulfillment is possible when love is shared generously. This card is the homecoming of the heart, joy discovered not in perfection, but in harmony.